Tons of TV shows to choose from now, but one stands out as kind of an underrated legend, The Dick Van Dyke Show. The story of a comedy writer writing about a sitcom within a sitcom. Talk about meta. 158 episodes, but there was one that always stood out to me. I was 11 years old when I saw the episode where Rob was being honored at a banquet for racial equality, but right before, he and Laura accidentally dyed their hands black while dyeing Little Richie's costume, and were afraid to go to the benefit doing, not blackface, but black hand? Was that a racial faux pas way back in 1965?
As I look around the room now, I see that all my fears and all my embarrassments were self-imposed. I can't wait till the day when understanding is between everybody such a commonplace thing that they don't have to hand out awards.
Pretty progressive for those days. The point is that it showed me that there were allies even back then. Marilyn Monroe pushing prejudiced club owners aside so Ella Fitzgerald could go through the front door and later own the stage. David Bowie calling out MTV for underrepresenting black artists. The black Americans who volunteered for their country in the war effort to be placed on the front lines despite being placed in the back of the bus. The women who kept the country running economically and physically while the men were at war. The Asian community as they came out and marched in Black Lives Matter protests. And Yuri Kochiyama's bond with Malcolm X as she stood by his side in unity and held him in his last moments. We had allies back then, and we need to be allies today. Anti-Asian hate crime has gone up by 150% in 2020. And since 2015, at least 135 unarmed black men and women have been fatally shot by law enforcement in the US. We can't look away from this. It's time we all join the fight and ally those who are bullied. Grab a teacher if you see bullying. Dial 911 if you see trouble. So end bullying. Stop hate.
Stop hate.
Stop hate.
Stop hate.
Stop hate.
Stop hate.
Do the right thing. Be a friend. Be a hero. Be a help. Be an ally. Allies, assemble.